Well, a little bit of good news, or even just the absence of bad news, on the inflation front could propel Nifty back to its all-time high at 22,795 mark. Well, there's plenty going for the market right now. First, producer prices rose more than expected in April. The US Producer Price Index, PPI, surged 2.2% annually in April. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell has said that he's still practicing patience regarding the trajectory of inflation and believes the central bank will need to let restrictive monetary policy do its work for longer. Traders will now be eagerly awaiting key US inflation data set for release on Wednesday, 15th May 2024. Our call of the day suggests Nifty bulls may be benefiting from higher expectations that lower interest rates are ahead. Well, a little bit of good news, or even just the absence of bad news, on inflation front could propel Nifty back to its all-time high at 22,795 mark. At Wall Street, all the big three indices are within striking distance of their all-time highs. Copper seen extending its rally and is up 19% this year. Global cues are mostly neutral. In yesterday's trade, FIIs sold shares to the tune of Rs 4066 crores. DIIs, however, were net buyers to the tune of Rs 3528 crores. Sentiments for the day is likely to be bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating continuation of rebound play. F&O month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 21,700 to 23,000 zone. India VIX continues to trade above 20 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th May, is at 1.10. Bank Nifty PCR, 29th May, is at 0.79. Nifty Outlook, a rebound play on cards. Nifty, CMP 2218. Intraday support on Nifty is placed at 22,089 mark. Immediate intraday resistance is placed at 22,369 mark. Range for the day is between 22,100 to 2350. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 47859. Interweek support is placed at 46,579 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance for the day is at 48,259 mark. Range for the day is between 47,500 and 48300. Bias for the day is positive. In yesterday's trade, Nifty ended higher for a third straight session. The positive takeaway was that the advanced decline ratio was in favor of the bulls, 4-1. Corporate India's Q4 results to trickle in, 15th May. Balrampur Chini Mills, Canara Bank, GMR Airports Infrastructure, Hindustan Copper, Vodafone Idea, Piramal Enterprises, SAIL, Sea Entertainment. Meanwhile, Siemens reported a 70% rise in its net profit for the March 2024 ended quarter. Further, the company also announced fresh capex of more than 500 crore rupees and a demerger plan for its energy business in separate announcements.